We are going to be writing a simple computer program today. So the app we need to use for this is Scratch Junior. It's the one with the cat face. So press Scratch Junior. You should come into a screen, hopefully a bit like this. And I want you to click to create a new project. And this is what it should look like. So we are going to choose a different character, not the standard cat. So if you put your finger and hold on top of the cat on the left, press the X and that gets rid of it. To add a new character, you have to click on plus, and then you get to search through all the characters that are available. You can even create your own, but I think today we're just going to stick with the pre-created characters. So choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go for the wizard. Press the tick button in the top right, and I've got my wizard on the screen. So what we are going to do today is make our character talk. That's the program that we're going to create. So first of all, to do that, if you click on the yellow button on the left hand side, it gives you these options. So for us, what we're going to do is when we touch our wizard character, or whichever character you choose, it's then going to do something. So to make the touch feature work, you choose the block with the finger on it. So what that means is when you touch your character, something happens. So what we're going to do is first of all make our character make a sound. Now there's already a pop sound there, so if we try that one and I touch my wizard, hopefully you can hear it popping. Now rather than popping, I think I'm going to make my wizard cast a spell. So you can do that by clicking on the microphone, and then you get this recording feature available. Abracadabra. Going to use that one, and that's got my sound. Hopefully this works. Touch my wizard. Abracadabra. 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 And that is me finished. What you can also do is add a background. So up in the top right in the middle, there's the picture of some hills and sky. You can touch that, and I'm going to put my wizard into this forest or the woods. Wow, that looks a little bit scary. You can add other characters if you like, and then you can also make them. So if we're going to add a different character, I will add a crab in the woods as well. So I can move my crab down here, and you can see that when I tap on the wizard, I've got the wizard's program in there. Tap on the crab, there's no program because I've not created that yet. So we can do the same thing. When I touch the crab, something will happen. We'll make the crab speak. Please don't hurt me. That'll do. Put that in there for the crab. Does this work? Please don't hurt me. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. And then you can just tap your characters to hear them talking. Hopefully that gives you some ideas of what you can do. Looking forward to seeing your computer programs.